Alright boys, what's good? So this is just another stream highlight, and this is Monday. I literally just caught a 1 to 3 on NAS, so thought I'd share it on the YouTube channel. If you want to catch the streams, I literally just do them kind of randomly at 12 PM UTC, so if you want to join them, then pull up. I literally just do them on this channel. But yeah, this is just a beautiful trade to be honest. Also, I apologise for the poor quality. I forgot to record this, so this is just from the stream VOD, and for some reason it just degrades the quality like crazy. But nevertheless, still a good video, and yeah, I appreciate you, and yeah, like and subscribe. Peace. I don't like these gaps below. Let me see the rejections. Let me hop on MetaTrader, see what's up. Is there any 15-minute confluence? Not really, but it literally follows all my rules. Let me look at the 1 hour. Definitely bullish. A lot of gaps below, but this is just mainly nice in the 5-minute, but NAS is also just bullish, you feel me? It's just a bullish instrument, so this could be valid. We'll see how it rejects, because it ain't rejecting like that right now. Yeah, it's not even rejecting like that, so probably not. Some tells me this also isn't gonna give a nice break candle entry. It is kind of just dropping, maybe down to here to fill in those gaps, maybe even lower to fill in these gaps down here, who knows. Or maybe it's just gonna shoot up. It is rejecting. It is rejecting like that. It is rejecting nice. That is actually really nice, okay. Give me that break of candle entry, boy. Damn! It's just sharp. Okay, where am I going to try and take this up to? Yeah, I could take this up for a 1 to 2, up to these wicks, potentially. I think I should try and take it all the way to the top. I feel like that's getting a bit greedy, you feel me, for quarter 4. Alright, I quite like the setup, so this is just whether the markets want to win or not. You feel me? If this lose, it's just an unfortunate loss. Done everything I can, you feel me? Break a candle entry, follows all my rules. Maybe the higher time frames don't completely agree with it, but it's enough for me to believe in it. Let's see if I can take it up to here. I'm not sure on that though, but that'd be real nice. Once again, anybody new here, my account size is very small. Don't be disappointed when this win isn't my rent. That's not a nice candle. No, that's not a nice candle. And now it's just not moving, it's just gone AFK. What is going on? Okay, there we go. Ooh. That's that fake out candle, you feel me? I always got to throw one of them in there to scare some pussies out. Oof, that candle's shit. There's gonna be a break a candle fake out. Like I said, I think I'll be able to nicely cut this loss if it comes down a bit lower. Ooh, what the hell? That rejection was crazy. One to 1 is already hit, so I'm free to close whenever, basically. I have free reign to close. This is already technically a winner. Technically a winner. Okay, so now it's just what I need to do. This is my decision now. How long do I hold this for? There's no gaps really to, you know, there's no gaps in here. All I'm seeing is just liquidity up here. Let's just go right here just to really go for a 1 to 3. A real 1 to 3. I'll just go based on what the candles are looking like. And that is a nice candle. Okay, that is good. Alright. Hands are up. I have no reason to close, right? The chances of it coming all the way back down and stopping me out right now are so low. There's no way, right? Like, theoretically, if I am to just hold this until it hits take profit, the chances of that happening are like 90% right now. So I might as well hold this all the way through. Please just take me there. Please just hurry up. I don't want to sit through this much longer. Just give me the TP and let me continue on my day. There we go. Good shit. We just caught a 1 to 3 Monday morning. You feel me? That is crazy. 1 to 3 on a Monday morning. That is crazy. Good shit, boys. Good shit. You know what? Rest of the week, we don't have to be greedy at all. You feel me? I can just go for some 1-to-1s, you know? I could just be chilling. I got my profit too. Good shit. Let's go, boys. W's in chat. That is beautiful. Alright, quick breakdown for anyone who cares. So this is a really textbook setup, to be honest. This on NAS, we're beginning an uptrend after kind of retracing, but you can see on the 1 hour that we are clearly in an uptrend above the 200 EMA. We're actually just below the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, but we're clearly on an uptrend overall. We're clearly coming up off this little retracement, so this is a good time to buy in my opinion, especially as we had just gone above the 200 EMA on the 5 minute, so we're clearly changing trend to the upside. And the setup itself, honestly, no high time frame confluence when it comes to the setup. This wasn't a 15 minute setup, this was just a 5 minute. It's really just that simple. I actually just made a video on how to mark up supply and demand zones, so if you're interested in that, then go watch that. Yeah, marked up this demand, actually did tap in here, but never broke candle until it came back down here, and eventually broke here. I got a nice entry and simply just took it up for a 1 to 3 up to this liquidity. So that's all that was really. Literally just the same thing as always. I don't really change nothing. This strategy just works straight up. And honestly, this will probably go for more than 1 to 3. I mean, it already has. But yeah, if you boys enjoyed, subscribe because I like that big number, and like and comment and stuff. I've also got the Discord you can join in description. Post my trades on Instagram. Sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But yeah, I appreciate you boys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.